Hello everyone. Let's explore how you can monitor affiliate commissions in your Shopify store for your affiliate program using Afflr. First, once you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard, open the Afflr Affiliate Marketing application. Now that you're on the Afflr Affiliate Marketing dashboard, let's get started. Next, navigate to the commission section located at the top. Here, under the All subsection, you'll find a list of all the commissions along with their respective order IDs and affiliate names. You'll also see the customer names, order amounts, and the status of each commission, whether it's approved or needs to be rejected. You can easily toggle the arrows nearby to reject a commission, but keep in mind that once you mark a commission as rejected, this action cannot be undone. Additionally, you can view the date and time each commission was created. Under the Approved subsection, you'll find all commissions that have been approved. In the Pending subsection, you'll see any commissions that are still awaiting action. If you need to review rejected commissions, they will be located under the Rejected section. That's how you track commissions in Afflr. I hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching.